Installing the Addco 642 anti-sway bar on the back of the van. I've just got it set in place before I tighten everything down. If you see, this bracket right here sits on top of the differential. Got to move your brake line a little bit. That part right in there squishes down when the U-bolt gets smashed. And then over here, it sits up inside the frame. There's this little this U-bolt here, and it goes up inside the frame like so, and then this bracket here bolts to it. Pretty straightforward and pretty simple. I'm going to tighten it down, see how it all works. Like I said, this is from SDtrucksprings. Is an Addco 642. Seems to fit really well, so we'll see how it works.